Do you have a teacher, colleague, or friend who sends messages in uppercase generously sprinkled with exclamation marks? How do you know if it's just a regular drama queen moment or actually urgent? Let's find out with Python and calm those screaming messages down. We'll use regular expressions to spot and replace unnecessary drama. First, let's figure out how urgent a message actually is. We need to translate the number of exclamation marks, and their emoji siblings, into levels ranging from calm to actually urgent. You can adjust these thresholds based on the personalities you're dealing with. We determine urgency based on the ratio of scream characters to the total length of the message. Total characters is the message's length. And we sum up every shouting exclamation mark and uppercase letter with an iteration. The ratio is screams divided by total characters. Then we check which benchmark in our urgency level scale the ratio exceeds. And return this intel nicely formatted with color code and percentage. So, let's see the actual urgency level of George Costanza's message. Not a big deal. He'll get over it. No need to reply. Now, let's lower our blood pressure and calm messages down before we read them. First, we get rid of the plethora of exclamation marks and replace them with a single period. We need to escape screamers. This makes sure all the special characters in our list are recognized properly. Then, we define a pattern. In this case, it's every combination of one or more screamers, thanks to the plus after the brackets. That search pattern is the first argument of resub. Second is the replacement, a quite little period. Third is the message. This method returns a string without all the screamy punctuation, just quiet, demure periods. The stress level is immediately reduced. Let's normalize the uppercase words. We use a regular expression to find all caps words. The \b represents word boundaries. We're looking for capital letters between those boundaries. We substitute them using lowercaser. What's that, you ask? Well, lowercaser is our next function. Because we can't simply apply lowercase in all cases. The function takes in a match, which is the word that the regular expression has identified. Every sentence should start with a capital letter. Here, our regex pattern is looking for the beginning of a line. That's what the caret represents, or the start of a new sentence elsewhere. So, how does it know where a sentence starts? It looks for the end of the previous sentence, marked by a question mark or a period. The $sign in regex means end. Notice there are no exclamation marks here. We already replaced them with periods earlier. Finally, \s stands for white space. And the plus sign means there can be one or more spaces after the punctuation. If that's the case, our lowercaser will capitalize the word. It will make the first letter uppercase and keep the rest lowercase. Let's add another special case, the self-important I. If the word is I, the lowercaser will leave it unchanged. All other words will be converted to lowercase. Let's give it a try with an intense message from Leslie, and see the calmed result. With the urgency, of course. Okay, she is serious about it and without getting an all-caps panic attack. You may actually be able to support her before 3 p.m. Enjoy your newly found low blood pressure. Now, you can quickly assess a message's actual urgency, and turn any drama-filled rant into a calm, polite message.